Hey friends, it's Lynn here at 1A Auto. Today I'm working on a 2007 Hyundai Elantra. I'm going to show you something very basic, checking the fuse box. This is the location right here. All we're going to do is there's a little clip right here. It's going to lift up, give it a little shake, take a peek under here. You can see all your fuses and your relays. Everything looks good. If you have to remove any, there's a little thing right here. This should just pop right off, just like that. And then if you need to pull out a fuse, you just stick it right over one of them, grab it, and pull. I'm not going to take any out because none of these are bad. I just wanted to show you how that works. I'll put it right back in so I can use it someday if I need to. Of course, here's the location of all the fuses and their numbers, so you can use the little diagram there. So that's that.
Thanks for watching. Visit 1AAuto.com, your place for DIY auto repairs, for great parts, great service, and more content.